In this video we will learn how to install the current Java version on Windows 10. With that we will also run a sample example. Let us start. At first go to the web browser. On Google type Oracle Java and press enter. The official website is visible. Click on it. Here is the official website oracle.com/java. Click the download Java button. Here is the download section, go below. Here the current version is visible. You need to go to Windows and click on the x64 installer link, that is the following, which is only 188 MB. Click on it to download. So the Java exe file will download. The download started, let's wait. We have downloaded the exe file. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. The setup started, click next. Java will get installed in the following location. Click next. Now Java will get installed. We have installed Java, click close. Now let us set the path. We'll go to the location where Java is installed. It is in C drive, program files. Here it is. Click on the Java folder. Here is the JDK 26 which we just installed. Click bin and copy this path. Minimize, go to start, type environment variables. When you will type, you will get the edit the system environment variables option. Click open. Now under advanced, click environment variables. Under system variables, double click path, click new and paste the same path, that is the following bin path, this path. Okay, now click OK. We need to set one more path here. So for that, click new. Here type Java underscore home. Under variable value, paste the same path but remove bin. Click OK. OK and the last OK. Now we have installed Java. Go to start, type cmd. Click open. After clicking open, type Java -- version and press enter. This shows that we successfully installed Java 26. You can close this. Now let us run our first program. Go to any drive. You can either go to D drive or E drive or any drive. Right click and click new. Click on the text document. Here add your Java file name. So let's say I'll add demo.java. When I'll click here, it will show me, do you want to change the file name extension? I'll click yes. If you're not getting this option, you need to go to view. Here select file name extensions. I've already selected it. Okay. Okay, if I'll uncheck this, can you see the extension vanish? So you won't be able to change it. So do select it. That's it. Now this is the Java file. It's written Java file. Right click and you can open it in Notepad or Notepad++. Most of the users do not have Notepad++, so I'll open with Notepad. Now let us run our first Java file. That is our Java program. In Java we have classes. Write the class keyword, then the file name. That is, the file name should be equivalent to the class name. So this is the class name also. Now within this we will add our code. So in Java you need to mention public static void main. In Java you need to mention this. Okay, I'll explain you what is this. Static is not required after Java 21, but let's say I'll still add it. This is an access specifier. Public means publicly available. This is the main function where your program execution begins. And the following is for command line arguments. So what we are doing here, we are just printing a name. So a simple program. So I'll just print my name. To print you need to add the system class, dot the output stream and dot a method which is called print. So whatever we will add inside this will get printed. So I am just printing my name. Go to file, click save. Now we have our demo file here. We just need to run it. To run it, go to start, type cmd, click open. Okay, now where we are inside the E drive. Just type E here, colon and press enter. Okay, now we have the demo.java file here. So how we will run it? To run a Java file, you need to first compile it. So write javac to compile it, then the file name demo.java. Press enter. After pressing enter, if there is no error, your class file will generate here. You can see in Java a class file generates. Now to run it, type Java and the file name, that's it, with no extension. Press enter and now we will get our output Amit Diwan. Here it is. Okay. So guys, for a free Java tutorial, refer to the link in the description of the video.